Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lowell, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is a move that is more than 50 miles. It can be within the same state or across state borders. An interstate move happens across state borders, while interstate moves happen within the state. 3 Movers has done the necessary registration under the state and federal authorities in charge of relocation, so we possess valid licenses for interstate and intrastate moves. Your belongings and personal information are safe with us. We work with trained movers and they handle your belongings with care. Our drivers are cautious and they obey every highway rule. We also have a reputation of keeping to time. We get you a new location at the estimated time and we give you that at the beginning of the move. 3 Movers also provides excellent local moves. Our office is at the center of the city and we are easily accessible. We also have a fast response system and our local moves are very affordable. Our prices range between $30 and $40 per hour and our customer care service is exceptional. To ensure the total protection of your belongings, we also put adequate insurance in place. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lowell Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.